This how to 1 minute will show you how to make your Wix website faster. Follow these easy steps to boost your Wix website speed. The first method is turn off or disable your Wix website page transition. To do that, open your site editor and click on Site Design. And here select Page Transitions. And here you have to select None. And the second method is turn on Manual Cache. Open your Wix site editor and click on Pages and Menu. And now select the page where you want to turn on Manual Cache and click on this three dot, Settings, and select Advanced Settings. And here you will get Manually Control Caching for this page option. So enable this option. The third method is disable all animations for your Wix website. So all you have to need, just select the element or section, and here you will get background scroll effects icon. So you have to disable these. So here you have to select None, and after disabling all effects and animation, your Wix website will be faster than before. And the next method is remove image background. Adding image as background makes your Wix website slow. So all you have to need, just select the section where you added an image as background, then click on Change Strip Background. And here, and now we need to select a color for the background. So select your color option and pick a color. And now select Images. So here you have to select Background None. And that's how we can make our Wix website faster. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.